All right, a few more, then we'll move on. Missionary from Africa speaking at Calvary Memorial Church. Her name is Bertha Belch. Announcement: come tonight and hear Bertha Belch all the way from Africa. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Miss Bertha, but oh my God.
Oh boy.
Oh,
I think they're thinking that's the return of Jesus right there.
oh my God.
You
Oh,
can't make this stuff up, can you?
no, I can't.